All right, it's 11 o'clock here on the East Coast, so time to get started. My name is Tom Duffy from Princeton University, and I'd like to welcome everyone to this online conference on synchrotrons and geochemistry, a workshop for novices and experts. First off, I'd like to thank Peter Heaney and the organizing committee for this workshop, who have put together what looks like a really interesting, exciting, and broad-ranging program over the next 2 days. Now, as many of you are aware, the NSF has just a few days ago, the NSF released a new proposal solicitation for community facility support of synchrotron-based analytical capabilities for advancing earth and environmental science research and training. Of course, we all know that synchrotron facilities provide a really powerful toolkit for probing the properties of geomaterials and addressing geological questions. And the innovative advances in experimental capabilities at synchrotrons has facilitated many diverse and important scientific discoveries in the earth sciences. So this is a really exciting opportunity for the geoscience community to build on our existing community organizations such as Compress and Jesse Cars and expand to further support and develop synchrotron capabilities that as I've indicated, are of great importance and growing importance across a wide range of disciplines in geoscience and environmental science. It is our hope that this workshop will be an important step in highlighting the opportunities made possible by this solicitation and help us to organize as a community to take advantage of the scientific and educational opportunities afforded by this. And as synchrotron facilities around the country are undergoing upgrades, we need to be able to take advantage of these capabilities while still meeting, our community's needs for many techniques. So I'm currently chairing a steering committee, and you can see some information about this in the chat. It's a committee made up of that aims to broadly represent the geoscience community and environmental science community in responding to this solicitation. And we're working towards developing an exciting proposal to meet community needs and to further develop synchrotron capabilities for earth science and environmental science research. Our committee includes representatives from existing EAR-supported community facilities such as Compress and Jesse Cars, as well as a number of members from the broader community, especially the geochemistry community, both low temperature and high temperature, and we're trying to broadly represent earth science disciplines that use synchrotrons. So we've conducted a number of outreach activities already, some town halls and workshops, and this is a further activity. More will be forthcoming. We have a web page that will outline the steps that we are taking, and so that's in the chat. You can also see information on the NSF solicitation there if you have not seen it. But we look forward to hearing today and tomorrow also from NSF staff about this new initiative. So as we begin the workshop, I hope people have had a chance to respond to the pre-workshop poll that was sent out. And again, there's that information. Is that information in the chat? Maybe not, but yes, it is. The pre-workshop survey is in the chat. And in addition, I'd like to remind everyone that at the end of tomorrow, there'll be a roundtable discussion which will provide further opportunities for community input. So without any further ado, I'll turn things over to Peter Heaney, who will get the workshop started. Thanks very much for your attendance and participation.
Well, thank you, Tom, for that nice introduction, and thanks to all of the attendees today. I just have a few very brief announcements before I introduce our first speaker, Joanne Stubbs. Because we have so many participants, we have manually muted everybody. And if you have questions, what we ask is that you pose them in the chat. And as moderator for this morning session, I will be looking at the chat, and then I will pose those questions to Joanne at the end of her talk. And then I guess I just wanted to emphasize that on Tuesday at 4:10, we have a roundtable that is hoping to elicit your feedback. And it's really important for us to get information from the entire community. We've tried to make it interactive. We know that these Zoom meetings can be very passive. So we've done things to try to allow you to offer your own opinions. So please do participate in that 4:10 tomorrow.